G'day, g'day, g'day. If you're new to this channel, this is the Nameless Riders channel. We cover everything motorcycle related and more. Stick around and find out what we've got for you today. Sometimes I get contacted by companies that want to get me to review their products, and today is one of those days. These guys send me a shovel, and not just any kind of shovel. This is a multi-tool shovel. I think it's like a pocket knife, except slightly bigger. Comes in this nice little bag, so you know, not too big. Have a look inside and see what we've got. Okay, so there's multiple zippers that we can open up. Start at the front. So at the front we've got the blade, so it looks of things. There we go. It has a nice cover for the blade. Wow, look at this. It's about just under 2 kilos, the whole package, and this looks very solid. Wow. So there's different edges for different purposes, I guess, and then it comes with multiple hand grips. It feels very solid, very well made. So that's 2 of them. And what else we got? This has got an actual grip on it, and so you can actually put a camera on this. It's got the little tripod thread on it. Okay, and it comes out as well. That's pretty cool. Now, what else have we got? Another one. So this one's slightly different again. And this is a very beefy one. So that's for a really good grip by the looks of it. What else we got? We got a strap. I guess that over your shoulder, and that way you can carry it around. Actually matches my shirt, doesn't it? What else we got? A little cord, metal wire, which I'm not 100% sure what that's for. And what else we got? Front pocket. Ooh, these look sharp, and they are sharp. Oh wow. We got a knife and a little hook, and also by the looks of it, a bottle opener and a whistle. That's pretty loud. That might come in handy if you're ever in trouble. One thing with the tripod bit, there's also something inside it, and I'm pretty sure that's to get the fire going. For some reason I didn't bring the instructions with me, so it comes in a box and it comes with a piece of paper that actually shows you how to put it all together. So I'll have a bit of a play around with it, see how it works. Otherwise the instructions should definitely help. A knife for when you go hunting, I guess, or maybe just to cut a few vegetables. And this one looks like it's for fishing. It's pretty cool, so you can attach it, so you screw it in, and then the next attachment can fit over it like that. And so that goes at the bottom, and the big one looks like that's the only one that's going to fit the blades. It's all pretty self-explanatory by the looks of it. Wow, it feels pretty solid. If you're doing any digging and you want to change the angle, you can change the angle. How good is that? Well, I guess that leaves us one thing to do, is to actually dig a hole. Let's see how it goes, hey? Now it is pretty soft here, so I think it should go fairly easy. Into the black hole. Sing for my soul. I gotta say, first try, it feels very solid. I don't think you're going to break that anytime soon. The side of this is an axe, so you can do a bit of cutting of branches with this as well. So we can give that a crack and see if we can find a branch and see how well it cuts through that. I think the main thing is that you got to really make sure it's tight, and I'm not sure if there's anything you can do with that. So let's see if I can get through this somehow. It does loosen every now and then because of you whacking it, but so far so good. Gotta wind it up every now and then. wouldn't recommend it doing this in 30 degrees weather. But look at this, it's chewing through it. One more. That's pretty good. All in all, what did I think of this thing? It's pretty good. Like, it's very, very solid. If you're hiking, probably wouldn't take it with me because it is 2 kilos. But on the bike, or just to have it in your car, would be pretty handy. Just in case you need it, you know, if you want to dig a hole to do number 2, or you got to make some firewood. It will allow you to light a fire as well. Yeah, I can't believe how solid it is. It's very, very solid. Given it's a product from China, which, you know, usually gets a pretty bad rap, this product does not reflect the Chinese quality at all. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed by it. I think I need to find a spot to put it on my bike, hey? Hope to see you in the next one.